Hey everyone, welcome back. Now we are going to continue our tutorial. Now we have our animation sequence. We have 5 sequences for the dance, and then we are going to separate each of the steps and make sure to deselect. Please untick anti-alias if you're doing on a pixel. If you're not doing on a pixel, I suggest you enable the anti-alias features. Okay, now we have changed the background color to the color green. Now we are going to separate each of the character, but make sure to duplicate the layer and then rename the layers so you won't be so confused. As you can see, each layer has their own sequences, and then all the sequences should be overlap onto each other. Select the sequence and Shift Ctrl I to delete the others. Make sure you know your layer. Now go to Window and Timeline. We are going to start animating it. The concept of Photoshop animation is when you create a new frame, you have to change or hide like this. Okay, now it's moving. Now continue. Hide the layer, open, create new frames. Create new frames, open and hide the layers. Select the sequences to change the speed of the animation. And then, as you can see, we have our character dancing. And then we are going to record the animation using any screen recording software. Zoom in to get the best view and the best quality, and play the animation and record it. Now we are going to repeat the same steps, but as you can see, I have made another pixel art, but this time I separate the head from the body. So we are going to repeat the same steps all over again. So place the body into the same into the same screen. Now record it together. Now create an animation, and you are ready to record it together. So that is how you animate your Habbo character in Photoshop, and I hope you guys can try it yourself, and good luck. See you on the next video. Bye bye.